Hi there, welcome to Maths Camp. Today we are going to learn how to find out missing side of our triangle using trigonometry. So let's start. We are going to solve this question. You can see there is a right angle triangle and they have asked you to find out the missing side, which is x. Now we have to follow few steps. Those steps are, first of all, we have to identify the theta. This is 41-degree angle is our theta. Now second step, we have to label the sides according to the theta. The 4.6 side is going to be labeled as opposite side because it is just opposite side to the theta, and this x is going to be labeled as hypotenuse because it is opposite to the 90 degrees angle. Once we have identified sides, so now we are going to use trigonometric ratios. We can use short form of these ratios, which is called so, ka, toa. So means S will be represented for sine theta, opposite is O stand for opposite and H stand for hypotenuse. Likewise, cos CAHA will be used for cos theta, and A stand for adjacent, H stand for hypotenuse, and last TOA. The T stand for tan theta, O stands for opposite side, and A stand for adjacent side. Now in this question, we have these sides, hypotenuse and opposite. So among these three ratios, we have to see that which ratio has these two sides, hypotenuse and opposite. So this is the sine ratio. Make an equation. Sine theta is equal to opposite side over hypotenuse, which is just right in here. After that, we have to substitute the values. This sine will remain sine theta is basically the degrees or angle of the triangle. Opposite side we have labeled, which is 4.6, and hypotenuse is x that we have to find out. Afterwards, what we have to just solve the equation. To find our x, we have to make it alone. So x will move to this side, and it is being divided by 4.6. When it move, it will be multiplying. X multiplied by sine 41 degrees will be equal to 4.6. And now from this side, sine 41 will move to other side. It's being multiplying on this side. When it will move, it will be divided 4.6 over sine 41 degrees. At this point, we have to use our calculator. 4.6 divided by sine 41 degrees. We have to close this bracket. So now we can find the missing side, which is going to be 7.01156. So we will use 7.0. If we have to round to 1 dp, it will be 7.0, or for 2 dp, it will be 7.01. All right. So now let's move to next question. The first step, we have to find out theta. Theta is here. Then we have to label the sides. So this side is opposite side, and this side is adjacent side. Now we have three short form of trigonometric ratios. So, ka, toa. So we have to find out that which ratio has adjacent and opposite. So we have here. That means to solve this question, we have to use tan ratio. So T stand for tan theta, O stand for opposite, and A stand for adjacent side. Now just substitute the values. So tan theta is 47 degrees, opposite side is x, and adjacent side is 3.1. Now from this point, we have to just solve our equation. We have to move this 3.1 to other side, as it is being dividing, so it will be multiplying. So 3.1 times tan 47 will be equal to our x, which is our missing side. So at this point, we have to use calculator again. 3.1 times, this is tan 47 degrees, and then equal to, so this is going to be our side, 3.324. So we are going to round it to 1 dp, so 3.3 will be the answer. So for this question, x is going to be 3.3 centimeter. This is all for today. I hope you have enjoyed your lesson. Take care. Bye bye.